Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MemberPress affiliate portal, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the MemberPress affiliate portal, start by visiting the MemberPress website. Locate the affiliate login section on the home page. Click on the login button to access the affiliate portal. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first by clicking on the sign up link. Fill out the required registration information, including your name, email address, and any other necessary details. After completing the registration form, submit it to create your account. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the MemberPress affiliate login page. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Click the login button to access your affiliate dashboard. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password, follow the instructions in the reset email you receive. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to find the various affiliate tools available. Explore the options for viewing your affiliate reports and marketing materials. Familiarize yourself with the commission structure outlined in the portal. If you have further questions, look for the Help or Support section within the portal. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your profile settings. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. After setting up your profile, start promoting your affiliate links. Regularly check back to track your earnings and performance in the dashboard. Utilizing these steps will ensure a smooth authentication process with the MemberPress affiliate portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.